Finally done. This is my back porch on the deck I made. I just made a roof over for more storage. It's taken me 2 months, basically, to do all this by myself. A few hours a day. This ramp is on a 15-degree angle. Oh. It's where I live. High water comes a lot. But my place looks like a tornado hit it. It will look that way for a few more days. Got to clean up all this mess. But it's all structurally sound. "34-foot ramp on a 15-degree angle. Platform 12 foot wide by 22 foot deep. 9 foot in the air with a 8 foot by 22 roof over back there for more storage. Yeah, I live in a camp house. It ain't much, but it's mine. I got too much clutter. Who don't nowadays? But see, I just came down that ramp. These are my steps. All this has been added on. This room here is 34 by 16. 20. No, 16. It was added 2 years ago. With a little screened-in porch that looks like a tornado hit it. Into a shop where I make my videos, which I haven't made any in a while because it's been too hot. Which leads to the door. That I now have a covering out here. Need to do some brisket smoking. Oh, finally done. Talk to you later.